At this point, let us listen to the words of the General Manager as he welcomes everyone to this occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, Sir Rolando Diabrinica. A round of applause.
Good morning sa ating lahat. Ang ating kagalang-galang na Chairman ng Local Water Utilities Administration, Chairman Ronnie Ong. Ang ating kagalang-galang na ina ng bayan ng Giwan, Mayor Annalisa Gonzales Juan. Ang ating kagalang-galang na ama ng barangay na ito, Barangay Timala, Chairman Roberto Sabalbirino. Ang presensya din po ng ating Chairman of the Board of Directors, Sir Boy Hoben, at ang member ng ating Board of Directors, Ma'am Celedonia Castor. At ikinagagalak po naming makarating dito sa pagkakataong ito ang representation ng General MacArthur Water District mula kay GM Distinguido at ng kanyang mga kasamahan. At ang buong puwersa ng Sangguniang Barangay ng Barangay Timala. Sa mga kagawad, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At ang mga kasama natin sa LGU Giwan, madaming salamat sa inyong pagdalo. Kayo po ay aming wini-welcome para inyong matunghayan at masaksihan ang opisyal na pagbubukas ng aming Giwan Water District Corporate Office Building. Ito po ay sa pamamagitan ng pagsusuporta ng aming minahal na mayor ng Giwan at ng aming mga members ng Board of Directors. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo. Welcome po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much, Sir Rolando Abrinica, the General Manager of Giwan Water District. At this point in time, everyone, may we request your participation as we officially open this office. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us our Honorable Mayor Annalisa Gonzales Juan, together with Attorney John Brian Maga, of course, our Chairman Ronnie L. Ong, and our Board of Director, Chairman of the Board, Chairman Rodel P. Juven, and the Punong Barangay of Barangay Timala, and of course, the General Manager of Giwan Water District, Sir Rolando Abrinica. Ladies and gentlemen, at the count of 3, they are now going to officially open our office. Everybody, 1, 2, and 3. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you so much, Mayor Annalisa, Sir Ong, Sir Joven, Sir Abrinica, and of course, Sir Sabalberino. Thank you so much for your participation, for gracing the occasion. To do the honor of introducing our guest speaker, may I call on the Chief of Staff of the Chairman of the Local Water Utilities and Administration, ladies and gentlemen, Attorney John Brian Maga. Let's welcome him with a big round of applause.
I'll introduce our guest speaker. He is the Chairman of the Local Water Utilities Administration, the country's chief institution in promoting and overseeing the development of water supply systems in provincial cities and municipalities. The chairman was previously a congressman during the 18th Congress, where he's been known not only to push for legislation, but to also mirror his bills immediately with on-ground programs and projects related to his proposed laws. When the COVID-19 pandemic struck, our chairman remained on the front lines together with his team, more than house-to-house relief operations. His team worked with various local governments to bring much-needed help. These projects include Libreng Gulay for community kitchens, helping not only frontliners and health workers, but also our Benguet farmers during the time of pandemic. He also launched the Libreng Sakay program, which provided home-to-hospital round-trip service to hundreds of our health workers. Other projects are Tulong sa Senior Citizen Work Program, providing employment to senior citizens at airports, government agencies, hospitals, and universities, as well as the establishment of e-learning hubs, dubbed as e-eskwela hubs around the country. Nagbutang luwat kami din niya bugong ganini na eskwela hub. Believing in the power of Bayanihan, Chairman Ronnie also launched house-to-house COVID-19 Bayanihan relief operations. During the onslaught of Typhoon Ulysses and Typhoon Odette, he distributed portable community water filters to barangays in provinces including Cagayan and Bohol to have access to clean water. Our chairman was then recognized by People Asia as the frontliner congressman in 2020 for his work and is among the awardees of People's Asians Men Who Matter in 2021. Our chairman was appointed last May 24, 2023. Without further ado, aton i-welcome ato palapakan Chairman Ronnie L. Ong.
Morning. Of course, I would like to acknowledge ang ating maganda at mabait na Mayor, Mayor Annalise Kwan. Mayor, maraming salamat po. Of course, our barangay officials from our water districts, from our chairman. Chairman, salamat sa imbitasyon. Pumunta po si chairman sa office ko last week. I think it was a Thursday or a Wednesday. Nag-invite po siya, sabi niya, Chair, pumunta naman po kayo sa Giwan. Kaya po, andito na kaagad po ako. Isang imbitasyon lang, pumunta na po tayo. And of course, our GM, our other board of directors, maraming salamat po. Short memory down the lane, nga, sabi nga nila. Malapit na malapit po ang Samar, especially Eastern Samar sa akin puso, dahil po ang aking father-in-law ay naging governor at congressman po dito, si Jose Tan Ramirez. Kaya naalala ko po, yung pangalan po ni Mayor Annalise, lagi ko po naririnig dati dahil nung mag-girlfriend, boyfriend pa lang kami ng anak ni JTR, pupunta na po ako ng Samar. Kasi nga, lumiligaw ako eh. Kailangan din ligawan ng magulang. Kaya lagi po ako andito. Pati nga po yung kuratsa, nagawa ko na po yan. Kasi nga, lumiligaw po ako eh. But just to say, since malapit na malapit po talaga ang Eastern Samar sa akin puso, alam naman natin kung gaano ka-importante ang tubig, water is really life. Pwede po tayo mabuhay ng walang kuryente. Sa mga kabataan, as they call Gen Z, pwede po kayo mabuhay ng walang data, pero hindi po tayo pwede mabuhay ng walang tubig. Tubig is very, very, very important po. Naalala ko nga nung bata pa ako, hindi po nga binibili ang tubig eh. Yun na sa mga mineral water, hindi naman namin binibili yan eh. We only drink from tap water. But of course, it's a different world po now. And I hope people will start to understand how important water is. Especially now po, ramdam na ramdam po natin ang araw. El Nino na po. Andito na po ang El Nino. Dati po, Pebrero, Marso, medyo malamig-lamig pa po. Ngayon, ramdam na po natin ang sikat ng araw. And again, water is very important. I am making a promise that I will work hard for what the Eastern Summer Water, actually in Giwan po. Ayusin ko po ang patubig po dito. Tutulungan po talaga natin yan. Dahil again, it's very close to my heart. And I'd also want to leave a legacy po dito na natulungan ko po kahit na paano since I'm here right now. Again, maraming pong salamat sa invitation po nyo. And I hope to return here again with some projects po para sa water district po nyo. Maraming salamat po.
As a sign of gratitude, would like to award you this plaque of appreciation. Please allow me to read the citation. Republic of the Philippines, Giwan Water District, Giwan Eastern Samar, awards the certificate of appreciation to Chairman Ronnie L. Ong for sharing his valuable expertise and knowledge as a guest of honor during the blessing and inauguration of Giwan Water District Corporate Building on occasion of 18th founding anniversary, given this on the 13th day of March 2024 at Giwan Water District, Giwan Eastern Samar, signed by Rolando de Abrinica, the General Manager of Giwan Water District, and the Chairman of the Board of Giwan Water District, Sir Rodel P. Juven. At this time, may we invite everyone to listen as our Honorable Mayor gives her message. Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Mayor of Giwan, Mayor Annalisa Gonzalez Juan.
Di kaya ng powers ko, mainit dyan. Of course, the Honorable Chairman of the Local Water Utilities Administration, Chairman Ronnie Ong, and the Chairman of the Giwan Water District, Boy Hoven, GM Lando Abrinica, the Barangay Chairman of Timala, and the Barangay Chairman of San Pedro, and all barangay officials who are here, the members of the Board of Directors of the Giwan Water District, of course, the Water District, the officers, the directors of the General MacArthur Water District, staff and personnel of the Giwan Water District, fellow Giwananons, fellow workers in government, maupay nga aga aton nga tanan. Nakakatuwa po, I'm so happy that no other than the chairman of the local water district visited us ngayon. Grabe talaga ang to, lumulukso po yung puso ko kung nakikita nyo. And you know, the world is really beautiful and the world is small. I couldn't believe that the son-in-law of the person who helped shape Eastern Samar is here with us today. Si Congressman JTR, tawag natin sa kanya JTR Jose Tan Ramirez. I remember I was young, sige nagsunod-sunod ako ng sunod sa kanya. Hindi ko akala, hindi naman ako politiko kasi minsan kahit nasa Mercedes siya o saan, kasama ko yung kapatid ko si Butch, sasama ako, tinitingnan ko lang siya, kaya napakagwapo, di ba? Ng JTR matangkad. Tapos napaka-soft spoken niya. Tapos humihingi kami ng project sa kanya. Kasi that time, my brother was a contractor. And sinasabi ko nga kay chairman na kung anong Eastern Samar ngayon, actually si JTR ang nagsimula. And now he is here, the son-in-law is here. Extend our regards to the former congressman and our best wishes for his good health. And he is here. Siya na rin ang tutulong sa atin. You know, ganun talaga. Bumabalik. Mababait kasi tayong mga tagagiwan, kaya binabalikan tayo. So at this point, I would like to congratulate the Giwan Water District on your 18th founding anniversary. You have done so far. Ang laki na ng nagawa niyo. Thank you for supporting also the LGU of Giwan. Every time I call Lando and Sir Boy na itong barangay, itong sitio kailangan ng tubig, nandyan po kayo para tumulong sa akin. And andun din naman po ang support ko. Hindi magbabago ang support ng LGU. The local government unit of Giwan, for as long as I am the mayor, will always be there to support you. Magandang partnership natin, Chairman. Kaya po successful yung Giwan Water District because the partnership of the LGU and the Giwan Water District is very, very good, very favorable. Pag kahit wala pa silang pera, pag sinabi ko, pautang na lang muna, pag nagkapera ako, babayaran ko kayo. Katulad ngayon, kaya the chairman of, the barangay chairman of Barangay San Pedro is here because he is asking for water system in his barangay. Island po, isla po. Kaya sunod ng sunod ito. Kahit saan. Sabi ko sa kanya, I allotted 650,000 sa kanila. Eh hindi pa naman, alam mo naman ang gobyerno, ibibiling kung ano-ano. Kaya Chairman Boy and GM Lando, dinalan maupay nga kaburuton ha. Mangutang na lang muna kayo, basta babayaran ko kayo, huwag mag-alala. And yung sa Timala naman, you are very fortunate na nandito sa barangay mo. Malapit ka sa tubig, malapit ka sa luwag. Balitaw, thank you very much. Congratulations. Just go on with all the good deeds that you do for Giwan. Provide water to all. Sabi nga ni Chairman, water is life. Buhay talaga ang tubig. So let's all work together para ang buong Giwan magkaroon ng tubig. Maraming salamat po, Chairman. I salute you for coming here. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations!
Thank you so much, Mayor Annalisa Gonzalez Juan. Another round of applause, everyone, for our very supportive Mayor of Giwan. We'd also like to award this certificate to our Honorable Mayor, Republic of the Philippines, Giwan Water District, Giwan Eastern Samar. This certificate of appreciation is awarded to Honorable Annalisa P. Gonzalez Juan for sharing her valuable expertise and knowledge as a guest of honor during the blessing and inauguration of Giwan Water District Corporate Building on occasion of 18th founding anniversary, given this 13th day of March 2024 at Giwan Water District, Giwan Eastern Samar. Signed by the General Manager of Giwan Water District, Sir Rolando de Abrinica, and the Chairman of the Board of the Giwan Water District, Sir Rodel P. Joven. Thank you so much, Mayor, and of course, thank you, Sir Joven and Sir Abrinica. Finally, we have come to the end as we listen to the closing message of the Chairman of the Board of Giwan Water District. Ladies and gentlemen, Chairman Rodel P. Joven. A round of applause.
Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. On the blessing and inauguration of Giwan Water District 18th founding anniversary, may I present the nucleus team of Giwan Water District. Asan yung mga taga Giwan Water District? Ito sila lahat, Chairman. Mayor Annalisa Gonzalez Juan, who better qualifies as a strong supporter of utilities, not only water but power. Sinasabi ko yan because I was in Congress when she articulated the position of Eastern Samar on the low voltage of power here, because power and water magkasama dapat palagi yan. Kaya nung low voltage tayo, hirap na hirap din ang water district. Kaya talagang yung water, ang utilities importante talaga. Not only water, yan magkasama talaga yan. Chairman Ronnie Ong, nung Chairman Ronnie Ong is just like nagkaroon lang kami I had a chance on meeting Chairman Ong sa Lua. Parang nagkaroon kami ng meeting of minds Kasi very active pala si Chairman Ong. Kasi sabi nga, when I was seated beside him, sabi niya sa akin, "Oh, saan galing to?" Sabi ko, hindi lang naman Lua ang pinanggagalingan ng funds namin. Nanggagaling pa sa iba't iba. Pwedeng sa DOH, pwedeng sa DPWH, pwedeng doon sa taas, sa NCIP. Kaya we're working outside the box. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, marami tayong pinanggagalingan. And our chairman, kasi ngayon, ang water sector, pinag-aaralan nasa transition period na, baka maging Department of Water. And our chairman, baka siya maging Department of Water Secretary. Kaya nandito siya ngayon. Kaya Attorney Brian Maga, who comes from Catbalogan also, taga rito rin sa Waray din. Kaya kasama ni Chairman Ong. Yung staff niya, yung Barangay Captain June Sabalbarino, Barangay Captain Michael Romero, and all yung lahat ng nandito ngayon na sumali sa amin. Kaya Chairman, we look forward na tuloy-tuloy ho yung suporta na bibigay nyo sa Giwan Water District. Kasi yun ang kami ho na may programa na talaga sa buong may business plan kaming sinabmit na sa Lua. Pero rest assured, Chairman, kasi sinabi ko, not only number 1 kami sa water district, number 1 din kami sa system loss. Yung tinatawag sa luwa na non-revenue water kasi 71% tayo because of the non-replacement of water pipes nung way back nung Yolanda time pa. Kaya ngayon, nasabi ko na kay chairman kung yun ang kailangan natin. Kaya sabi niya, sige, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat sa pagdalo sa anniversary sa blessing ng Giwan Water District. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Boy Joven. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this significant gathering. In behalf of the Giwan Water District Management, I would like to thank especially the following important individuals for gracing this occasion. The Chairman of the Local Water Utilities Administration, of course, Sir Ronnie L. Ong. Thank you so much, sir. Our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Annalisa P. Gonzalez Juan. Thank you so much, Mayor, for coming over. Attorney John Brian Maga, the Chief of Staff of the Chairman of LWUA. And of course, the Chairman of the Board of Giwan Water District, the Honorable Chairman Rodel P. Joven, and of course, the General Manager of Giwan Water District, Sir Rolando D. Abrenica, and the Punong Barangay of Barangay Timala, and the members of the Barangay Council. Thank you so much for coming over. And of course, the Punong Barangay of Barangay San Pedro, Tubabao. Thank you so much for coming. And of course, the different other representatives of the Water District from MacArthur. Thank you so much, ma'am, sir, for coming over. And everyone for coming here, thank you so much. And God bless.